to show you the 2011 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, traction control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.